What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Get right into it today, guys. We're gonna go over the 5 most profitable side hustle niches, guys. Remember, the richest are in the niches, guys. We're gonna break down the 5 most profitable ones. Maybe you're in some of them. Maybe you should look into some of them. Let's get it.
Number 1, we have rideshare delivery apps such as Uber, Walmart, Spark, Amazon Flex, Postmates, Grubhub, the list goes on. Get into these. These make you, this can supplement your income. This is a great way to earn money on the side. There are people that I talk to in Ubers and people who deliver food all the time that say this is their full-time gig. So it's definitely worth considering or at least doing on the side. It's a great thing to do.
You can make on average, guys, anywhere from $500 a week up to $1,000 a week, even more depending on what area you're in, guys, and what you're driving and delivering. Keep that in mind as well. Number 2, guys, the service-based industry, guys. Handyman work, cleaning, washing cars, anything that involves you servicing your clientele, guys. Apps such as TaskRabbit, Dolly, Instawork, all these apps are here to stay and are here to help you make more money in this service-based niche, guys. Keep in mind, once again, you can make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a week just off of these apps. And let alone think about it, if you got your own clients on the side already, you can add on another $500 to $1,000 a week. So guys, take advantage of it. The service-based niche is our number 2 most profitable niche for side hustles.
All right, number 3, we have graphic design and we have web design. So graphic design, everyone needs logos and they need designs made for their company. Maybe it's a billboard, maybe it's a logo for the company, maybe it's an emblem. No matter what it is, people always need graphic designers, and they can make anywhere from $50 a design to $1,000 plus per design, depending on what company, particular person, small business that you're working with. And then let's jump to the flip side of web design. Building a website is not always the easiest thing in the world. Companies like Wix, companies like Squarespace make it a little bit easier, but it is tedious to do. That's why this is a great industry to get in, because with Wix web builders and Squarespace web builders, you can design companies their own website and correct it and do whatever they need without coding. So you can make up your own business web designing using these platforms to do it all. So that is another great way. And also you can earn upwards of $1,000 plus a week doing web design, depending on who you're working for and how good you are at getting clients to come in. So check that out for sure.
Number 4, guys, medical courier or just simple courier work, guys. This is a very popular niche right now with everything going on, and some people getting tired of driving people. They just rather drop off products and items and do supplement work as far as with the hospitals and things of that nature, guys. It's a very hot niche. You can use apps such as Drop Off, look up companies like Stat Courier, Med Courier, ACL, all these companies right here provide you this opportunity. Look up sites like ZipRecruiter, Indeed for potential opportunities in the medical courier field. You can make anywhere from $500 a week up to $1,500 a week, potentially more, depending on what vehicle you have, guys. Look into this niche, the medical courier niche.
Okay, and this brings us to numero 5, our last option, and that is online service-based work. And so that includes SEO, that includes marketing, online marketing, digital marketing, and things in that realm. You can use companies or services such as Fiverr, Upwork to reach out to clientele, to market your services to people. You can earn anywhere from $500 a week, upwards of $2,000 plus a week, depending on what services you can provide to your clientele and what you're offering. The sky is actually no limit to how much you can earn, because there's so much potential with companies like Fiverr and Upwork, and you can work 24/7. So this is a great opportunity to go into.
There you have it, guys. The top 5 niches to get into with your side hustle. Potentially turn that side hustle into your actual business. Let us know if you missed anything. Like, comment, subscribe below. Live eventually. The world is yours.